everyone, so for this video I'm doing another makeup tutorial. This is inspired by Margot Robbie makeup. So this is more like spring makeup. So if you wanna know how to get this makeup look, keep on watching. Okay, starting from the eyes, I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skintone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime my eyelid. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my powder and just set the eyeshadow base so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Okay, then after that, I'm taking Violet Frost X Yrallih palette. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade called Mama Bird and just put it on my crease again. Just build up the color on my crease. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my crease again to build up the orange on my crease. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this yellow shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. Okay, now after that, I'm taking the Body Shop eye definer in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Okay, then after that, I just curl my lashes. After that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. I'm using Smashbox mascara and I don't really like it, so yeah. Okay, now moving on into the face, I'm taking my primer and just put it on the center of my face and just blending it all out. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my foundation, which is the Body Shop Moisture Foundation in the shade number 5, and just put it all over my face using buffing brush by Real Technique to buff this foundation. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my concealer, which is not called the face, so I don't really show it because I wanna use this up and just highlighting my under eye, and then I put it on my nose, I put it on my forehead, and I put it on my chin and just blending it all out. And then after that, I'm taking my powder and just set the place that I put concealer. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my bronzer, which is Wet n Wild Color bronzer, which is taking the bronzer and just bronzing up my face. I don't really contour this, I'm just warming up my face. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop Baked Blush in the shade Coral and just put it on the area of my cheek. I put a lot of blush on because this photo has a lot of blush on. I mean, like she has a lot of blush. Okay, then after that, I don't know if she has a highlight on or not, but I just put some highlighter because I love highlighter. I'm using the Body Shop Puff on Radiance and just highlighting my face. Okay, now back into the eyes again. I'm taking the blush and just put it along the lower lash line. Okay, then after that, I'm taking fluffy brush with the same blush and just put it along the lower lash line. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the same eye definer and just put it on my waterline. Then after that, with the same mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Violet Frost palette. I'm taking this shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Okay, now moving on into the lips, I'm taking matte pink lipstick and just put it all over my lips, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.